last lecture, I started with characteristics of services and I spoke about intangibility as a characteristic of service. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about the second I, that is inseparability, as the characteristic of a service product, right? So what does the word inseparability means? Inseparability means the characteristic of not being able to separate two or more things. So when we talk about services marketing, what is actually inseparable? We say that in case of services, production and consumption are inseparable. Can also be put it as that the producers and consumers cannot be separated from each other. So when we talk about services are produced and consumed simultaneously. So if you are talking about an illustration of this thing, you can imagine you getting inside a bus. The driver here is acting as the provider of the service, and since you have boarded the bus, so you are the customer. So here the provider, the service producer, the provider and the customer both are together. Now what is the implication of this? So when we say that the production and consumption is happening simultaneously, it means that unlike goods where goods are produced at a different point of time and it is being sold and consumed at a later time, and that is why when you hold a product in your hand, the package shows a manufacturing date and an expiry date. In case of services, the scenario is completely different. In case of services, the production and consumption is happening together. The customer is going to be in your premises, is going to see how you are producing the service, right? And he is going to take the judgment on the spot. So you need to be very careful in planning and executing your operations. So that is one thing. Second implication or second inference that can be taken from this is that the customers in case of services marketing are treated as co-producers of the service. Now what do I mean by that? It simply means that if you want to sell, for example, an insurance service, right, unless and until the customer participates in the whole decision making process, right, the overall offer or the package of service cannot be fixed. For example, what should be the duration of the insurance, what kind of insurance it should be, what should be the premium amount, what should be the premium mode, right, who should be the nominee. Everything is possible only when customer plays his role very actively. So customers are co-producers in case of services. Now this is one of the very fundamental thought in the services marketing, right? In marketing overall, right, in conventional marketing also we go on saying that customer is the pivotal point, and in services marketing, because it's a people oriented marketing, its services industry is a people oriented industry, this statement that the customer is the pivotal point assumes even greater significance. So that's it for inseparability today. Thank you.